So, my friend, as you are well aware, that we are exposing the Islamic Gunism against the Kashmiri Hindus or Kashmiri women, how the Kashmiri Hindu women were raped by the Muslims who are living in the Kashmir because Islam allows this. The killings, the robbery, and all the Gunism of the dictatorship of the against the humanity Islam allows. So we can say the Islam is the guru of the true Muslims, those Muslims who are following the Islam. Islam is the group of the organized rapist killers and the pedophile because Muhammad committed such heinous crimes throughout his life. So now we will tell you that how many Muslims of the Kashmiri raped Hindu women and killing the non-Muslims, including the Sikh and Hindus brethren, because Islam allows this stupidity or the fornication or the prostitution in Islam is allowed with the non-Muslim woman, and the capturing and kidnapping of the non-Muslim woman is allowed. So we will see you some killings and the rapes of the non-Muslim as we are continuing this series on my both channel, that is the Kafir International Organization and the Visit Destination in English. So we will lead the another killings and the another killings and the rapes with the non-Muslim women by the Muslim goons which are living in the Kashmir, and mostly majority of the Muslims are the goon because they are the true Muslim. The majority of the Muslim are the rapist, killer, vagabond, criminals. If they will find the open space to commit such heinous crime, but due to the fear of Indian government or the any other country of the government, Islam cannot be successful now because Islam is a totally a barbarism and every country is against this barbarism which is known as Islam. So we must make a Kafir International Army to join this army. My WhatsApp number is India ka 919129644888. So please join this group on the WhatsApp, and our motto is only to expose the Islamic Gunism and elimination of the terrorist anywhere in the world. By open means, if government and the police and military are failed, that is our duty to kill all the Islamic goons or the Islamic terrorism by open head if you are true non-Muslims or non-believers or true human being. So now we will see some killings. Yes. Yes. 1995, kidnapping of the Western countries, 43 tourists, 6 Western countries tourists were kidnapped by Al Haram. I would like to say full haram. Treacherous. No, a Kashmiri terrorist organization from the Liderwat area of the Pelgam in Anantnag, district of Jammu and Kashmir on 4 July 95. The 6 victims, including Kathy Mangam of the Middle Bow and Paul Wells of the Black Bond, 2 Americans, John Hills of the Samesbury, Connecticut, and the Donald Hutching, Spokane, Washington, a German, Dirk Hasseri, and a Norwegian, Hans Christian Ostro, and the Hutchings' wives were left behind the kidnappers as their husbands were abducted. A note press released by kidnapper accept our demand or face dire consequences. We are fighting against anti-Islamic forces. Western countries are anti-Islamic forces, and US is the biggest enemy of the Islam. They were saying, the Islamic goons. Zone Child managed to escape and rescued 4 days later. Ostro was beheaded by 3 fanatic, stupid, maniac, lunatic, bastard, devil, idiot, Islamic jihadist, fundamentalist, vagabond, son of the prostitute, without name their fathers, because her mother did not know who came to her at meetings in brothel. Terrorist. And his body was found near Balgam on 13 August 95. The kidnapper denuded the released Maulana Masood Azhar, who was imprisoned by India and 20 other prisons. Mangan, Velo, Haching, and Hasrat have never been found due to brutal killing of these innocent tourists by the followers, fools over of Islam. As per chapter 9 Al Toba, verse 5, it states, kill the Kafirs, a captured militant, then told all 4 hostages has been shot dead on 13th February 1995, 9 days after an in Indian military ambush killed 4 foreigners, including their head Abdul Hamid Turki. So this was the same doctrine of the Islam to receive money in lieu of release the captives as Mali Ganimat. Norwegian special forces from the four Savrats SPSK do FSK made an attempt to locate and rescue the Norwegian citizen who has held hostage and later on beheaded by the Al Farhan Neem Haram devils. Prankot massacre on 17 April 1998. In 1998, this massacre was killing of the 26 Hindus in the village of the Prankot and the Daki Court in the Udhamsumur district in Jammu and Kashmir. Survivors said that the killers struck when the villagers refused demand from terrorists to convert into Islam and proved their conversion by eating beef. On refusal to conversion, 26 people, including women and the children, were beheaded. Salute to those warriors who refused to embrace Islam, which states that earth is flat, static, and the mountains was put it by Allah to save this earth from flying in the air due to his speed wind. As this part is a kite, the earth is a kite like and doctrine killing, hate, rape, and the kafir woman as Malik Ganimat. In April 208, the alleged mastermind Abdul Hake alias Zahangir, a terrorist belonging to Hizbul Mujahideen, was shot dead by Indian security forces. 3rd February 204, Mahzur Nagar Sikh massacre on 3rd February 204 in the Srinagar district. At least 6 people were killed in this shooting and were having 5 injured. This was the second attack on Sikh. This incident was triggered by the killing of an auto rickshaw driver as Bilal Ahmad Khan of Ghani Khan locality. Resident of Ghani Khan alleged that two Sikh of SOG's Special Operation Group of the Jammu and Kashmir Police were borrowed Bilal's auto rickshaw. The previous Wednesday, his body was found later recovered from his auto near bypass. The killing has triggered massive protest against the Srinagar. The name of the Sikhs was, which were killed, the Sikh, our brethren, Satram Singh, Charanjit Singh, Gurmeet Singh, Suraj Singh, Sumit Pal Singh, and 6 was the Balwan Singh. 5 injured as Kaval Nain Singh, Satinder Kaur, Viram Singh, Chand Kaur, and Dharmendra Singh. No arrest has been made in this case. This is the Gundagardi of the Islam. Chitti Singhpura massacre. Chitti Singhpura is a very famous place. It is a very infamous massacre on dated 20th March 2000 in Chisinghpura. 25 massacre of the villager of the Sikh community was carried out as a terrorist attack and killed the Sikh on the visit time of US President Bill Clinton's state visit to India. This village is under Anantnag district. The killings suspects were the Pakistani-based Lashkar-e-Taiba wearing in Indian army dress. The killer arrived up to the village and reached in the vehicle as military color and went to the Gurdwara where the people were celebrating and the holy mohalla. They ordered him to line up in front of the Gurdwara and opened fire, killing the 36 people. So, whether Muslim is a Pakistani, Indian, or Bangladeshi, or from any part of the world, if he is a true Muslim, he is a true goon, true rapper, true robber, true rapist, true killer. Because if he follows the Islam or the teaching of the Muhammad, he is a certified goon or the certified criminals. So my advice to all United Nations organization, please ban the Quran, otherwise the Kafir International Army will burn the Quran throughout the world and nobody can check us because we are fed up of this ideology. Second, A. Muhammad Sahil Malik of the Sialkot, Pakistan, confessed in Indian custody that attack was on the direction of Lashkar-e-Taiba and ISF by Pakistan. Suhail Malik was a nephew of Hafiz Muhammad Saeed, co-founder of the Lashkar-e-Taiba. However, he was acquitted the charge by a Delhi court. David Hadley, a hybrid origin, informed to the National Investigation Agency in 210 that Lashkar-e-Taiba carried out the Chisinghpura massacre. He said to be have identified as Lashkar-e-Taiba fanatic, lunatic believer in the false object as atheistic and subset behind a mud pond etc. named Muzammil as part of the group which carried out the killing as per Islamic doctrine. 200 AD Amarnath pilgrimage massacre. This was in August 2000 in Kashmir, dated 1/2 August 2000 was in the night is the heinous crime as per doctrine of the cult. Culmination, the massacre of at least 89 people, official account, X105 as reported by PTI and eye watchers or onlookers, and injury atheist 62 people in Anantnag district and Doda district of the Kashmir Valley in India. Out of these, 32 were killed on 2 August 2000 at the Nuwan base camp in Pahalgam. Dead included 21 Hindu pilgrimage, 7 local Muslim shopkeepers, and 3 security personnel. And 7 were more injured, total up to more than 105, and at least 70 were injured in 5 separate tourist attacks with coordination as terror attacks, including 3 July 2000. At least 32 police people and the hundreds more injured. 21 were Hindus and rest were local Muslims who were the local resident. Many of these killed were local Bakarwal or the Gadriya or the Safad converted to the Musliman. And Gujar Muslim men and porters. This act done by a group of maniac Islamic terrorists of the Lashkar-e-Taiba, and our beloved Prime Minister late Sri Atal Bihari Vajpayee also visited the Pahalgam massacre and condemned the Lashkar-e-Taiba for this. 280 twin massacre of the Hindus. Twin massacre of Hindus at Mirbazpur, Qazi Gand and the Sandhu Chalbal. At least 27 poor civilians were killed in Mir Bazar, Kazigand, and Sandhu Achalbal, Anantnag district. 280 Doda massacre. At least 11 unarmed Hindus were gunned down by the stupid Islamic terrorists in their remote villages. 280 massacre of the Kupwara. At least 7 were killed when another group of the terrorists simultaneously attacked other remote village in Kupwara to 7 Muslim members of the surrendered terrorist family. 2018 massacre of Khair. At least 8 civilians were killed and 2 more injured in an ambush by the terrorists on a group of village committee patrol party member of the Kayur village at Doda district. After this, political leaders only enticed this that because no member of political party member was killed. 2001 AD Kocharwal massacre. 2001 Kocharwal massacre was the killing of 15 Bakarwal Safad or the Gadriya in Hindi in the village of Charwa Kot by the Islamic terrorists in Rajari district of the Jammu and Kashmir. on dated 9/2/2001. Because Bakarwal or the Safed or the Muslim Gujar generally never supported the stupid terrorist act against humanity. The state government has supplied the arm to these villages. Terrorists always suspect informers to the government of Gujar and the Bakarwal. Terrorists came in the night and directly ordered to villagers to hand over the women of the fulfill their Islamic lust. As Maliganima terrorists set on fire and 15 charged bodies found, including a 4-year younger one, the chief minister of Jammu Kashmir was helpless because he was the Muslim. So all the Muslim chief minister, all the Muslim of the Kashmir, if they are the true Muslims, they are certified criminals. So to befriend a Muslim, it is your own choice. But even the Amjad Khan, the film star, was a true Muslim. He has power to kill Amitabh Bachchan, Dharmendra and all the colleagues which are taking part in the shooting of the Sholay picture, Sholay movie. So every Muslim is a terrorist if he reads Quran and following the Islamic teaching, that is the teaching of the Islam. Because Muhammad was the supermost terrorist, high-graded terrorist throughout the history of the world. Due to he was the launcher of the Islamic ideology, which is very, very against the human values. And I am saying, I am describing after reading the Quran and Hadith. I am not saying, I am not build castle in the air, or I am not firing in the air. I am telling the such which is truth about the Islam, that Islam is a group of the criminals, organized group of the criminals, rapists, robbers, and the Muhammad had the groups of the Muhammad was the head of the groups of the killer, the rapist, robber, and the ransom money taker. So Dawood Ibrahim is less dangerous of the Muhammad. Many crores of Dawood Ibrahims, many crores of the Hitlers, many crores of the Muslims, Mussolini, or many crores of Khmer Rouge. These are all the wicked person, or the Mao Zedong is less criminal than this Muhammad. Muhammad is the head of the criminals. Thank you very much. See you. हो गया ये खत्म, सुबह सुबह इसका काम खत्म। अब मेरे को लग रही है भुक्का, और भुक्का फाड़ के टोएंगे।